Hi, this is Shamim and welcome to Simply Shamim 2.3 YouTube channel. Today I share how to create a ChatGPT account, so don't skip the video and subscribe my channel to get new video. Okay, let's go. At first I am go my search box and write here ChatGPT, and you can find out here website from ChatGPT. I am go at first website and click here sign up. Okay, then you can give your Gmail address, but now I am continue with Google account and I am select my Google account. Okay, you can see like this interface after give your Gmail or select your Gmail address. Okay, now I am give my name and birthday date. Okay, now click on continue and I give my number. To create ChatGPT account, you have to must verify your phone number. I am from Bangladesh, so I am select this and I give my number and click on send code. Then you get a code from your mobile phone. Now you have to verify you are a human, so I am click here and I am submit this captcha. Okay, just wait. Okay, now verification complete, and now we need a code, and I am check my mobile phone to get verification code. Okay, I am get my verification code number. Okay, this is my verification code, and I am give this and they verify me very short time. Okay, now you can see my account has create. Now I am click on okay, let's go. Okay, now you can use this very easily. This is the ChatGPT 3.5 version. Okay, the next video I share how to generate a blog totally free from ChatGPT. Okay, thanks for watching.